Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something that I've never done before. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a room slash apartment glow up. I was inspired by Kelsey Simone. I've just started watching her channel. I'm obsessed with her and her whole like aesthetic. So Kel and I moved into this apartment like over a year ago, and when we first moved in we got like the basic furniture that we needed. At first it was so much fun to get new furniture and to like look for all this stuff, and then after a couple of weeks and spending so much money, you're just done. And I was just like, I don't care anymore. We've got what we need. I don't need to like decorate this in my dream way. Like, I'm happy with the way it is. And I am like, I love this apartment, but I feel like I kind of stopped trying to make this exactly the space that I want to have. And I keep dreaming about moving into a bigger place and like maybe moving into a house, but that's not going to happen right now. Like maybe next year, but I feel like it's not going to happen for a while. And I just need to make the best out of the space that I have and stop just like looking at other people's Instagram accounts and, you know, stop looking at Kelsey's account going, oh my god, it's so beautiful, and like when really I could be making the best out of my space as well, if that makes sense. So there's just a few areas in our apartment that I'm not 100% happy with, that kind of bother me and that I feel like deserve a little bit of love, a little bit of a glow up. I don't know why I decided to start this today. It's so hot, it's like 30 degrees. I'm gonna show you guys the areas that I'm talking about and what I'm thinking of doing, and then we're gonna head to IKEA today. So the first area is actually over there. I've shown you guys this area a bunch of times, and this is our closet. And then in here I've got my like makeup corner. So I have all these drawers from IKEA that I actually love, and these are just filled with makeup. I have my jewelry in here. Oh my god, I need to reorganize this. And then I have random stuff just everywhere. So this, oh my, like this drawer, no, it stresses me out. So I want to go through this whole thing and reorganize it, and I also want to figure out a different like system for the top because it keeps getting too messy. I feel like I try to put too many products on here and it just doesn't work because it keeps getting so messy. A big one is over here. So this is next to the bed. Oh my gosh, just ignore this. Basically, I've been using this little thing as my bedside table. This is by IKEA, and I love the fact that it moves around, but I feel like, again, this is just not the right kind of bedside table for me because I get it so messy because I try to put so many things in here, and I feel like I want something smaller with like a drawer so I can put stuff inside, but then it looks nice and clean, because it's kind of annoying when I'm like in bed and I'm like trying to sleep and right next to me is this like just tower of mess. I don't know, for me, I don't want to have that next to me anymore. It like irritates me so much. And I know some of you guys might be thinking, well, just keep it tidy. I've tried. I always clean it up and then it's a mess 2 days later. So I feel like I need to try something different, if that makes sense. And then this is the last one, where basically when we first moved in, I got these racks. These are from IKEA as well, for my shoes, and I love the idea of like having them all out, but now I feel like it just turns a mess because I have too many shoes for them, and I keep like throwing shoes out and giving them away, but I just like, I don't know, I just feel like it's not working. It's similar to like the bedside table where I want something that's closed and then I can just throw them inside. And I think also it'll be nice to have like a dresser or something, and then on top under the mirror I can put like flowers on top and maybe my bag. So this is like the last little area. I'm in the car, I'm ready to go to IKEA. It's so hot.
Play this shit in the club for me. I've been watching the ropes.
Thursday and Friday, I just keep them satisfied.
I've made it! We're at IKEA. It's really busy. I don't know why everyone else is here. My car was showing 39 degrees before, so I'm still not exactly sure why I'm here, but we've made it. Go! My camera is already flashing that the battery is very low, so oops, I might have to use my phone inside. And by the way, if you guys are wondering, this is just a t-shirt from Louis Xavier Roma, and I'm wearing these A-brand shorts. I actually really like this dresser, like maybe for the shoes. It's nice and tall, and there's lots of space. Like this is something like this where I can just chuck them inside. I think I'm gonna keep this one in mind. I looked at a white one online, but I actually prefer this, I think. So I'm just looking at some bedside tables, and I'm thinking something really simple and small, just like this. And it's got a drawer. I feel like something like this will be good. This is really cheap too. Okay, so I've changed my mind a little bit. This is the one that I was looking at online, but it's a little bit too tall, like it would go over the edge of the window that we have next to the shoes. But I think this one is perfect. The brown, I liked it, but it would clash with our brown floors, so I think it's gonna be this one. We're doing it, we're picking up our furniture. Let's do this. We did it! Now to get this in the Fiat. That's gonna be fun. Let's go. Hello guys, little jump into the future. It is the new year, it's 2019, and I spent the last few days at my parents' place, which is why I'm just continuing this video now. I got really sunburnt yesterday. It's gone down a little bit, but that's why I didn't want to put on any makeup. I've just got on mascara and some eyebrow stuff. But basically, after I went to IKEA, I came home and I set up the dresser that I got for my shoes. It took me like 4 hours to build it, and I didn't film any of that because my camera was out of charge and I didn't want to use my phone because like the quality is so bad when it's dark. But I set that up and I love it. I'm gonna show it to you guys when it's fully done because I haven't like decorated the top of it to the point where I'm really happy with it. So I'm gonna show you guys that in this video, but when it's fully done. But today I want to set up my nightstand. But yeah, this is just driving me crazy, and today I'm gonna fix it. So I've got the new bedside table in this box right here.
All their money got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans to religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking.
I finished, and that took just over half an hour, I think. It looks so plain because obviously it's IKEA, but I really like it. So I think now what I'm gonna do, put this one out of the way. I can just roll it away, and then obviously I'll need to go through all of this.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys, they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my lump. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama. No drama. No drama. So don't pull on my hand, boy. You ain't my man, boy.
So it's a couple of days later again, and I finally finished my little apartment glow up. And the 3 areas that I was not happy with before, I'm so happy with now. So I will show you guys the glow up. So this is my bedside table, my new and improved bedside table. Before I had this tower of mess here, and now I just have this super plain bedside table from IKEA. I love how plain it is. It's so nice and clean because I really just wanted to have this be a clean space right next to where I'm sleeping. So on the top, I've put this marble tray. I bought this at a boutique in Mossman a while ago. And in here, I just have my Bose speaker and then this candle. This is by Byredo and it smells so good. And then I have this little owl, and this is actually a little night lamp. My brother got this for me and I love it so much. Then down here, I have a bunch of magazines. I have one big notebook if I want to like write stuff down, another magazine, and then in the drawer I have the book that I'm currently reading, which is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. I have a pen if I need to write something, my birth control so I don't forget to take it. Then I've got this Luxe body spray, and I actually spray this on the bed before I go to sleep because it really calms me down. And then I have a lotion with the same scent that I like to put on my hands and around my neck. This is a little elf. It's kind of like a good luck charm for me because I got this as a kid and I just always like to keep it. And then I just have like a nail file and some tweezers. I've got some lip balm and a scrunchie, and yeah, I just love this. It might look a bit plain, but that's exactly what I love about this. It's so much better than before. Okay, on to the next area. This was so messy before and really dirty as well. So what I did was I cleaned this whole thing. I cleaned the drawers as well, and I also reorganized them. So I used to try and fit most of my skincare on this little tray as well, and that's why it always got so messy. But now I've got all that in the top drawer and I've organized the other drawers as well. They're just so much nicer. I've thrown out a bunch of makeup. I've like donated some, gifted some, and it just looks a lot better than before. On the top, I just have these products now. I have my sunglasses in this cute little glass case. I also put my brushes in a different container and I much prefer this one. Then I've got the one book here, the Tom Ford. I really like just the bougie vibe that it adds. And then I have this little monkey candle that my mum got me. And I also took down the Polaroid pictures that I had here. They just were too messy for me and I never look at them anyways because it's kind of an odd spot, so I just put them somewhere else. But it looks so much nicer than before and I'm really happy. And then this is the final and biggest area. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It looks so nice and clean. I love the drawers. They're the perfect size and they just look really nice and like classic. And I also love that now I have a place to like put some stuff on top. So I've put some books here. I've got this Dior book, a Chanel catwalk book, some magazines, another book. I bought this Diptyque vanilla candle and it just looks really pretty and it smells so good. I also have some flowers on here. They're kind of dying, but I'm going away tomorrow and I didn't want to get new ones just for the video, but I am planning to always keep some flowers here because it looks so nice. And then over here I've got one bag out in the open. I got this in Paris a while ago. And then I have this Dior, just like a paper bag, and inside I've got two more bags that I keep there. And then I have a little Gucci box, and I just love the way this turned out, and it's kind of like the first thing that I see when I walk into the apartment, and it looks so good with the mirror that I already had there. It's just so much nicer than the shoe rack. And I guess that kind of brings us to the end of this video. I had so much fun with this and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it inspired you to maybe glow up your room or your apartment or wherever you live a little bit. I am so happy and I feel so much better, especially I think going into a new year. I just wanted to have a clean space where I can work really well and just feel really comfortable, and I've achieved that by like fixing these 3 areas that annoyed me. And that's it for the video. Let me know what you guys thought, and of course if you liked it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos 3 times a week. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Strong.